welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well. Today I have a new video for you which you have been recommending a lot in the comments. It's called Lock by Sidhu Moosewala and I have pulled up an English translation for this one. In case I don't understand, I would really need this. Okay. Also guys, a disclaimer, we will be having pauses in the video, right? Because this is a music, it will have copyright, so I can't just simply play it. It's not possible. So understand that and then watch the video. And this is gonna be a meaningful video. People who don't like meaningful videos, this is not for you. Okay, so I have given my disclaimer, and if you still watch this, then it is all on you. Okay, don't come and shit in the comment section. Cool. एक्सप्लेनेशन और मेरा लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश में ही होगा बिकॉज द चैनल इज़ फॉर अ ग्लोबल ऑडियंस. ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ नॉर्थ के लिए है, सिर्फ साउथ के लिए है, ऐसा नहीं है. इट्स फॉर अ ग्लोबल ऑडियंस. सो दैट इज़ वाई आई सेलेक्टिवली यूज़ इंग्लिश, है ना. और इसलिए कमेंट सेक्शन में मत बोलना कि हिंदी में बात करो, हिंदी में बात करो. नहीं बात करूँगी. तुझे देखना है तो देख, नहीं तो बाढ़ में जा. ठीक है. अगर तुम लोगों को बेसिक इंग्लिश भी समझ नहीं आ रहा तो फिर आप लोग मेरा टारगेट ऑडियंस नहीं हो. मेरा टारगेट ऑडियंस एटलीस्ट बेसिक एजुकेटेड लोग हैं. तो अगर आपको हिंदी, इंग्लिश, बेसिक इंग्लिश भी नहीं पता तो ये वीडियो मत ही देखो. आपको एनीवे कुछ समझ नहीं आएगा. ठीक है. यस, ऑल कैरेक्टर्स अपीयरिंग इन दिस लॉक.
Sidhu Moosewala, baby. कहना तबिया कोई किन्ना चिर चुकदा है अडवाइसिया ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦਸਾਂ ਤੇ ਵਾਲੇ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਤਾਰੀ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਨੇ.
Got real shit got real. कैप्शन का वो डायरेक्ट ट्रांसलेशन ज़्यादा सही नहीं है तो मैंने ये पुल अप किया है. वी हैव अ डायरेक्ट ट्रांसलेशन हियर. He's like, I am not gonna tolerate oppression anymore. If you come against me, then get ready for a fight because I will not hold back. He's like, I don't know. Once you pick a fight with me, it could escalate to a whole different level. You know, it could start with a stick, it could end with a gun. Crazy. I think that is what it means. Sidhu mentioned that his opponents spread negative PR about him, but when they face him, they cover inside, locking their doors. कुंदी मर्दों में आ रहा हूँ पकड़ने. He's like, जो भी है बस पीछे बात कर सकता है, जब आमने सामने होगा तब उसकी फट जाती है. तब जाके सीधा खुंदी लगवाता है. मैंने कुछ नहीं बोला, उसने बोला. Let's go! Power, power! This shows power and influence, guys. Okay?
लड़क के अखां च खब्बी खान बरोबर ने ਜਦੋਂ ਫਿਰ ਪਾਣ ਬਰੋਬਰ ਨੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਚੱਕ ਕੇ ਖੁੱਲਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਤਾਲੀ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਨੇ.
Guys, I've definitely heard of this one. This main chorus.
ਚੱਕ ਕੇ ਖੁੱਲਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਤਾਲੀ ਲੱਗਦੇ.
Those who defied us are now equally matched. So whoever spoke ill about him before, now the enemies, right? The enemies, now they feel like, no, ये बंदा अपने बराबर का है. He is equal to us, he is not beneath us. When the competitors arrived, they were then on equal terms. When they were face to face with him, they understood that he is very strong as well. है ना. he is very powerful. This could be in terms of dishum dishum. Those who think ill of us are like my brother-in-law. This could mean that even your enemies have some sort of connection with you, because they talk ill about you all day. They're always talking about you. They even might try to copy you, है ना? Secretly they admire you. So that is why he's calling him as a brother-in-law, somebody who is still connected to him. Interesting. चलो बाकी सुनते हैं.
हो ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਦੇ CEO ਹੋ ਗਏ ਜੇ
Enemies, huh?
ਲੱਗਦੇ ਨੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਚੱਕ ਕੇ ਖੁੱਲਦੇ ਨੇ ਹਾਏ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਤਾਲੀ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਨੇ
हाँ, ये सब. We have become the CEOs of our own life. Basically, is he has a lot of control of his life now, in terms of career and life in general, right? We don't let anyone overtake us. We have become the powerful ones. This shows dominance, right? He's like, nobody can get ahead of us, because one, we are far ahead, right? You can't reach us. Two is that we are very powerful and influential now, so that you cannot touch us, right? Then the actions are such that they appear like magic tricks. He's like, पंगा लोगे तो फिर समझ भी नहीं आएगा कि क्या हो गया तुम्हारे साथ, है ना? His every move is strategic. तो तुम्हें समझ भी नहीं आएगा कि ये क्या हो गया और क्या आने वाला है. So that is what it means.
ਤੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਫਿਰ ਚੱਲੇ ਹੀ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਨਾ ਵੇਲੇ ਹੀ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਚੱਕ ਕੇ ਖੁੱਲਦੇ ਨੇ ਹਾਏ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਤਾਲੀ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਨੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਚੱਕ ਕੇ ਖੁੱਲਦੇ ਨੇ
The camera angle of that fight is kind of cool, no?
ਤਾਲੀ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਨੇ Ayo, the kid.
When enmity grows, then jail becomes the destination. यार, this is a problem. ज़्यादा जब हो जाता है पंगे, तो डेस्टिनेशन तो एक ही है, सेंट्रल जेल. No holidays are granted, nor are there any bails. वहाँ पे हॉलीडेज भी नहीं होगा, बेल्स भी नहीं होगा, मज़ा नहीं आएगा ना. Even the ashes burn fearlessly and appear to glow like embers. Very true. Even now, if the enemies think that they have silenced or defeated him, his presence and impact, that continues to burn and stay alive forever, right? That's it.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Guys, that was such a great song and pretty bold, right? It was all about power, influence, and dominance. He was warning his rivals that oppression has its limits, and if you assert too much, he has all the influence to defend himself. The overall song was about his rise to the top and his enemies starting to respect him, right? And about his unstoppable legacy, right? I hope you enjoyed this track. I thoroughly was blown away, and I have definitely heard the chorus before, no doubt. Maybe if I listen to more of his tracks, I'll get to know that I must have heard other tracks of his as well, right? On reels or somewhere as such. I have already liked and subscribed. If you enjoyed the reaction, do share your love for the artist in the comments below and let me know what you thought about this track. And if you have more suggestions on him, feel free to drop it down in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit on that bell icon so you don't miss out on more reactions. I'll see you on the next one. Love you. Bye bye.